The Oil and Gas Regulatory Authority has faced severe criticism for up to 9% increase in price of petroleum products. The regulatory body held a news conference in Islamabad to explain its position. Executive Director Finance of OGRA, Javed Naseem, claimed that the government doesn't interfere in the process of computing and fixing the oil prices. He clarified that the domestic oil prices are linked with those of the refined petroleum products in the international market.
तो पाकिस्तान की पेट्रोलियम प्राइसेस हैं फिनिश्ड प्रोडक्ट्स के साथ लिंक्ड है, मैं दोबारा बता रहा हूँ, और क्रूड ऑयल प्राइसेस के साथ लिंक्ड नहीं हैं। क्रूड ऑयल प्राइसेस जो हैं वो उनकी अपनी एक डायनामिक्स हैं, क्योंकि यहाँ फिनिश प्रोडक्ट बिक रहा होता है, इसलिए इंडेक्सेशन उसके साथ की गई है।
Naseem also explained that OGRA computes the petroleum prices through a formula approved by the government, adding that the recent increase was in line in price hike in the international market and beyond the control of OGRA.
इंटरनेशनल प्राइस में पेट्रोल के केस में जो प्राइसेस थी वो $79.5 पर बैरल से बढ़ के $86.39 पर बैरल हो गई, विच इज़ a 9% इंक्रीज। HSD डीजल के केस में 83.2 पर बैरल से बढ़ के 79.2 पर बैरल से बढ़ के 83.1 पर बैरल हो गई, विच इज़ a 5% इंक्रीज। केरोसिन में 81 पर बैरल से बढ़ के 85.06 per barrel हो गई, which is a 5% increase.
OGRA also considered the rupee-dollar parity in computing the petroleum prices.
We need to pick up the price whenever the international prices are higher. But in Pakistan, there is another factor. And that factor is that there is a rupee depreciation against the dollar. In last 2 years, we have lost 30% of the rupee value, and just in January, it is 0.6%. So that rupee dollar parity has to be covered through this price increase in oil.
People in Pakistan are criticizing the recent increase in oil prices. Under the new policy, the government has no role in managing the prices of petroleum products as it has imposed fixed taxes. So the consumers will have to bear the burden. Economists are projecting that the international oil prices will shoot up to $150 a barrel by mid-2010. Then we will be facing further increase in oil prices. The real problem is our heavy dependence on oil, which is 70% of our energy mix. We need to reduce our consumption on oil and look for alternate sources of energy. Sajid Gondal, Dawn News, Islamabad.